Hello and welcome to another stock market update after the market closed on the 3rd of March 2023. So last week I explained that it wasn't good that the S&P 500 broke that line of support there, but was also the saving grace was that it stayed above this all-important 40-week moving average there, the red line, and this week was really a story of all's well that ends well. It wasn't looking good for most of the week. It looked, by about Wednesday, it looked like it could have actually broken beneath that and ended this recovery pretty quick. But it bounced off on Thursday and Friday. And as I say, all's well that ends well. It came very strong on the close there. And so the move remains intact. The bear market of 2022 is still over, and this could be the early signs of a brand new bull market. And I'll give you the takeaway at the end for short term and long term. So let's zoom in there to the 6-month chart here. We can see what happened there. There's Thursday. Thursday just saved itself, and Friday bounced back strong. And we've still got this golden cross, which I explained before. 50-day cross is the 200-day like that, which in the short term, though, means a pullback. And that's exactly what happened. And it was a pullback royale. Other things we're looking at here, to look at the week ahead. I mean, first of all, let's look at the big picture. This is no longer a bear market, but nor is it a bull market yet. So we're in a transitioning phase. If we go to the short term, it's looking good for the week ahead. The lunar cycle is kind of against it right now, but that's not always a deal breaker. The other big thing is that the other indexes have to agree with the S&P 500. The Dow Jones, as we can see here. In fact, the Dow Jones has been leading this rally, and it's pulling away nicely on Friday as well. Everything's looking good there. Nasdaq, just the same thing. This one was the closest of all. This has been the sluggard in the pack really, but that also saved itself. All major three indexes are in agreement with each other right now, and looking good for the big picture. Just to show a point here, look how important the 40-week moving average is. You can see from this chart here that once the Nasdaq gets above it, it stays above it till it breaks below, and then it stays below it till it breaks above. So that's why it's so important that we see that stay right there. So what's the takeaway for this week? Let's have a look. Here we go. So the big picture is a fox, as in it's transitioning. It's neither a bull or a bear, so I call that a fox market. So it's an opportunist market. We'll wait and see. Short term, though, this week, I'm saying that's bull. That's a bull for this week, and that means an upwards bias. So align your trades accordingly. I will speak to you next time.